In this video, I will show you how to add a reference band in Tableau. First, log into your Tableau account. Go to the left side of your screen, locate hashtag sales, then select and hold it, and drag it to the bar next to rows. Next, locate order date, click and hold it, and drag it to the bar next to columns. Now, go to the top part of your screen and click on Analytics. Under the Custom section, click and hold Reference Band, then drag it to the main board. A pop-up will then appear, giving you options to apply it to either table, pane, or cell. For this example, let's select Table. Another pop-up will appear where you can customize how you want your reference band to look and appear in your table. And that's how to add a reference band in Tableau.